This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Desiree Kotsofis. Welcome to Tidewater by Webb, Estero's premier 55-plus community. This rarely available, exclusively expanded two-story Martin Ray Loft floor plan offers over 2,700 square feet of living space with 3 bedrooms plus den, or optional 4th bedroom, and 3 full baths, including a spacious first-floor primary suite sits on a premium corner lot. The open-concept kitchen is a showstopper, featuring a massive island, walk-in pantry, granite countertops, 42 inches cabinets, gas range, stainless steel appliances, and decorative backsplash, flowing seamlessly into the dining and living areas. Daily living is designed for convenience on the main floor with the owner's suite, guest bedroom, full bath, and den/office. Upstairs, a private retreat awaits with a loft, guest bedroom, full bath, and extra storage, perfect for visiting family, a home office, or creative space. This home is designed for both comfort and peace of mind and is loaded with upgrades: 8 doors, 20 by 20 tile flooring, impact-resistant windows and doors, an enclosed front porch, extended lanai, and spectacular lake and fountain views. The premium corner lot offers easy access to the clubhouse, where you'll enjoy Tidewater's resort-style amenities, which includes a 13,000 square feet clubhouse with fitness center, movement studio, activity rooms, library, and catering kitchen. Outdoors, residents enjoy a resort pool and spa, pickleball, tennis, and bocce courts, a dog park, community gardens, barbecue grill area, and a barefoot bar. With a full calendar of clubs, classes, and social events led by a dedicated lifestyle director, there's truly something for everyone. Beautifully maintained by its original owners, this is one of the largest single-family homes available in Tidewater, and the sought-after Martin Ray Loft makes it ideal for both everyday living and entertaining. Conveniently located near RSW International Airport, Miramar Outlets, Coconut Point Mall, I-75, and the sandy beaches of SWFL, and with no CDD fees, this is Florida active adult living at its finest. Be sure to view the virtual tour. Don't miss this rare opportunity. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.